What is your life? We don't see things as they are. We see them as we are. One of the best ways to understand other people is to ask them, how do you see your life? You will discover that there are as many different answers to that questions as there are people. I've been told life is a circus, a minefield, a roller coaster, a puzzle, a symphony, a journey, and a dance. People have said life is a carousel. Sometimes you are up, sometimes you are down, and sometimes you just go round and round. Or life is a 10-speed bicycle with gears we never use. Or life is a game of cards. You have to play the hand you are dealt. This world is fading away along with everything it craves. But if you do the will of God, you will live forever.